Bing finally did it, everyone. Bing Webmaster Tools finally added AI performance reporting, something we have been asking Google for so long to provide, and crickets. This is very important, I know, definitely for every SEO. We always wanted to know which pages are getting cited, how often are they getting cited, how much clicks are we getting, and all that sort of things. And we didn't have any answers. We just have so many questions, and Google let us drown in trying to find any type of insights to report to our stakeholders and show the value of our work. This is how the dashboard is going to look like. I'm going to take you to my own dashboard in a bit. And you'll see the total citations, you'll see the average number of pages cited in like whatever duration you pick. We also have the grounding queries and the number of citations. So the grounding queries is where I think a lot of people are going to be more interested because we love keywords. So grounding queries are basically the key phrases, or AKA, keywords that AI used to search when they're trying to find content that will get referenced in AI generated answers, right? And the good news is this is not it. We will continue to refine this metric as additional data is processed. So this we're gonna see a lot coming, hopefully, and more growth in this area. I'm very excited. Maybe I'm very optimistic, but let's wait and see. So let's go to my report. So this is for my website, sarah-dar.com. So in the last 3 months, at least one page was cited every single day. And then I got a total of 160 citations in the last 3 months. And if we scroll down here, and you can see the pages that got cited, and here's where it's get interesting. This is not really overlapping with the top pages on my website. So this is a top page. This is one of the top pages, definitely. But this is not one of the top. I mean, it is performing well, but it's not one of the top pages. So having this comparison and understanding, sometimes, when in SEO, when you're doing a content audit, you want to find your top pages or pages that have the highest potential and may, use some update and then they may perform even better in search. So maybe this is also another way we can do content audits for AI overviews and AI mode. So this is really a great place to start. I'm not saying we have a lot of data here or anything. And then I also found people are talking about this on Reddit. One of the things I came across is this screenshot, which is basically the grounding query on this person's Bing Webmaster Tools AI performance reporting. So this just shows the type of queries AI used to search to find pages that got cited, right? So GEO, AEO, AI brand monitoring vendors, best GEO tools, and so on. This seems like an AI SEO website something. Yeah, I'm very excited about this. I hope Google delivers similar feature in Google Search Console. Thank you so much for watching this far. Like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever. See you next video. Bye.